Okay, before we refit an oil filter, we want to make sure that the surface is nice and clean. You can get in there and wipe it down with a rag. Okay, and we take the new oil filter, okay, and we get just a drop of oil, just a little bit on the end of our finger, put a little bit of a smear of it around the seal. We don't want the seal to be dry and gripping with the mating face, and on we go. Spin the filter on. When we do it up, we do it till it contacts, and we turn it and we do it hand tight. Okay. If I was to estimate the torque spec, I'd say it'd be around about 20 Newton meters when it's wet. Okay, oil filter on. Now, remember, after an oil service, oil and filter service, very, 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 very important that we make sure that that oil light goes out when it starts. First thing we're looking for, okay, and then recheck the level and make sure it's right. Thanks very much.